Hello, everyone, and happy Saturday to you all. I hope you all are having a wonderful Saturday morning. hmm Right now, it's about 10 a.m. I've been in my garden, and now I'm back inside because it's hot, y'all. It's hot out there, so I came in. So I want to thank you all for just stopping by just to hang out with me for a little while. Yeah. So this is the foot of my butterfly garden. Mhm. So I want to clean this part of this bed because I want to plant some cabbages here. But as you can see there's a war going on. hmm Yeah. So I'm going to take a tip from my beautiful friends over there at the Louisiana Gardening Family. And if you haven't seen that video about ants, yeah, I'm gonna leave a link to their channel in the description box. Yeah. So I'm going to get me some ants and I'm gonna put it in here with these ants. And they gonna war it out and everybody gonna leave. Yeah. So if you haven't seen it, go check it out. Yeah, I've tried it. It works. So yeah, but the big boss over there can explain it better than what I did. Yeah. But I hope your Saturday is going well. My grandkids are going out to the Aquarius today. Yeah, they're going. So I opt out. But next Saturday, I'm going to bring them to the zoo. That's one of my favorite places to go. But anyway, I'm gonna get rid of these ants and I'm gonna drop my seeds of cabbages right here. But I also wanted to share with you is that I love growing fall gardens for many reasons. Um, One is your soil is warm. It's very warm compared to in the spring when we first started our gardens in the spring. Our soil was cold from the fall. Yeah, we're looking at a tomato hornworm there. He's on a tomatillo plant. But as I was saying, is that um, our soil is much warmer from when we started our gardens back in the spring. And that means is that our plants and seeds will germinate quicker. So this is me yesterday on the area where I cleaned on that side of the garden. I was planting a lot of my brassicas. And y'all, let me tell you, I had so much fun. I don't know how you have so much fun by yourself. And really I had to do this voiceover for this one because I had my radio blasting and no, it's not YouTube friendly. So I couldn't I couldn't let y'all hear the music that I was listening to. And matter of fact, it was John Cleary in Absolute Monster Gentleman. So if you ever want to hear it, it's on YouTube. But anyway, yes, our soil is warm. So that means our seeds will germinate faster. And if you're planting with seedlings, they will grow faster because that soil is so warm. Now, another thing, when you're planting from seeds, seeds do not require fertilizers. Seeds do not require fertilizers. No, it's a seed, so it doesn't need bone meal, blood meal. It don't even need 511, y'all. Nope. All it needs is some heat and water, soil, sometimes just water, right? So that's another great thing about growing in fall. Your soil is so ready for that those seeds. Now there's another part of it also. Is that if you are planting your seeds or your seedlings where you have just cleaned the bed and maybe you had tomatoes growing there, maybe you had beans, peas, or whatever, and this soil is already fertilized. You have put lots of fertilizer in there from the spring. So seriously, you don't need to add more fertilizer to your soil when you're planting your fall garden. Now, if you have a little sick mama, I understand. And yes, you want to help her because she needs a little help. But other than that, that soil is fertilized and it has all of this good stuff that you have put in it. So you really don't need to go out and purchase more bone meal, blood meal, all these other meals to put in your soil. And that's the things that I love about there's a couple of things that I love about planting in the fall. So this is my area where I planted my seeds yesterday, and I left an area open right here. And that is because I wanted to leave an area open for some of the plants that I have growing in the baskets in the little trays. Yeah, I'll show you where they are. Yeah. But I planted those a lot of shallots on the ends, as I had said. Now these are the plants that I just saved room for. Yeah. So they're all looking good. My kohlrabi, they coming up. We had a really hard rain last night, so that's the breaks. But if they live, they live. So this is my olive tree. Yeah, this is my olive tree, guys. And as you can see, I do have one olive hanging on there. But listen, I'm going to take this olive off because, listen, when you are growing an olive tree, you cannot just take an olive off the tree and just throw it in your mouth. Or you can't go inside and wash it and throw it in your mouth. Olives must be cured. It's not a good thing, y'all. It's not a good thing. Yeah. So what I'm going to do with this olive tree is I'm going to replant it in a bigger pot. Yeah. And I'm sorry. I will show you all tomorrow how I'm going to repot this olive tree. Now, I'm sorry. I've never grown an olive tree before, but hey, it's the first time for everything. Yeah. So I'm going to put it in this pot here, and yeah, I think the only things, what's wrong with this? The only thing I'm going to put in here as far as fertilizer, I'm going to put some worm casting, and of course, we'll give her a good shot of 511, y'all. So here's the bed at the foot of the butterfly garden. I have it all clean, and now I'm just gonna really get this soil all fluffed up and stuff so she could be ready to receive the seeds I'm gonna give her. So yeah, I'm not looking to add any fertilizers in it, because even though in this bed I didn't give any fertilizer because I planted flowers here, and I don't give my flowers fertilizers. But yeah, I'll see after the seeds germinate, you know, what kind of fertilizers that they need. Yeah, but anyway, guys, I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful Saturday. I hope you have a great weekend. Yes. And I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me for a little while. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Y'all have a great day.